Well, conditions today going to be a lot different than what we've had over the last several days. Sharply colder, windy with wind chills in the 20s, light accumulating snowfall on Wednesday. When are we going to get to stop talking about winter? Maybe after this last light accumulating snowfall event on Wednesday, because we're near 60 by Friday, and it doesn't look like Mother Nature wants to cool us down after that. Fingers crossed. We'll see. I can see Mike doing the fingers crossed too. We're hoping. But we are going to have those winds out of the northwest at 15 to 25, gusting 35 to 40 today. So our wind chills are going to be down into the 20s. A far cry from what we were dealing with yesterday, when some spots were actually right around 60 degrees and we had some stronger thunderstorms during the overnight hours. We went from spring back to winter today, and we actually have a few snow showers out there currently. Feels like it's going to be around 25 by 1 o'clock. This is a snapshot of what the wind chills will likely be during the afternoon hours. So make sure you have those winter jackets on hand if you have to go anywhere today. Now, our temperatures right now are already down into the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. Constantine at 40. We're at 38 in Lawton, 36 in Kalamazoo, 36 as well into Hopkins, Allegan, and Holland also at 37 degrees, 35 into Granville and Grand Rapids. We're starting to see a snow shower drifting further off to the south, so this may impact Grand Rapids here within the next half an hour or so. Already starting to snow into Cedar Springs and Fremont. Big Rapids seeing some snowfall at 32 degrees, 31 in Baldwin, 34 in Hart. And those winds already starting to pick up in intensity. We're out of the west and the southwest, should I say northwest, at 10 to 20 sustained, gusting 30 to 35 right now. So it feels like it's already down into the 20s. These are the wind chills that we're going to be experiencing the entire day. Skycast, we're at 41 with a rain or snow shower this morning. Wind chills 20s and 30s with a northwest breeze at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Now, as we look at future track, any rain shower, snow shower that's out there right now will be gone by the afternoon. I'll actually start to see some sunshine returning to the afternoon and evening hours, but that's really not going to do a whole lot to our temperatures. We're actually starting to settle into a record cold air mass when you look at it from the atmosphere. So that overhead is not going to translate well to our surface temperatures today. Most of us only down into the upper 30s and lower 40s. We'll be back into the upper 40s and 50s tomorrow as a warm front starts to drift on in. But that could, again, develop some snowfall into West Michigan for the early hours, changing more over to rainfall and maybe a few rumbles of thunder out there for the overnight hours into our Thursday. But it's really only one day that we have to worry about the winter type weather. But here's what we could be talking about light accumulation wise: up to an inch of snowfall north of I-94 tomorrow morning. That is the last mention we have of snow on the 7-day forecast after Wednesday. So we're hoping to keep the 40s and 50s going, maybe get a little bit more 60s on the map after the 7-day planner.